Did you know winter is actually one of the best times to sell a home? Right now you're like, what are you talking about? Well, it is if your agent knows what they're doing. In the wintertime, you don't want to rely on curb appeal alone, right? Because snow happens. And we're central New York. So what else happens? Our lovely gray skies. So what do? And you can always tell the agents that don't do this. As soon as I say this, you're going to be like, oh, yeah. I like to use bright, professionally edited photos and videos. Strategic lighting, kind of angles, make sure there's no dark corners, make the room feel warm and cozy. And then you want to market towards the time frame. Right now we're not going to be marketing towards barbecue grills, but you do want to showcase. So right now we're looking for garages. I call it a declothing station, where you take off your heavy coats, your boots, have a boot tray so that you don't track not just the mud, but salt throughout your house, right? You want to kind of highlight the comfort and cozy areas. So if you have a fireplace, your mud rooms, your living rooms, make them cozy. So market towards the season. And then it's important to run ads. And I know everyone says, oh, I run ads. Well, it's important to run and pay attention to detailed targeted ads, digital ads. So that's crucial. So, because buyers are serious right now. Look, today it snowed about 8 inches, right? And they were out there showing houses, and the buyers are serious. So keep that in mind. These are not your looky-loos. So it's okay if you want to sell your house in the wintertime. Just make sure you have an agent that knows how to market during the wintertime. So why now? Well, think about it. Do you want to go out and go look for a car right now? No. But if you had to, just like everyone, now is a great time to test drive your vehicle and see how it does during the wintertime, right? Well, selling your home is no different. The buyers that are out there right now, they're not looky-loos. They are determined. They are motivated. And it can mean stronger offers. So, that's good, right? So if you're thinking of selling this winter, or if you have to sell and you're like, oh my God, I don't want to, don't worry about it. Get an agent that knows how to market and showcase your home for the winter to get you strong offers. What do you do differently if you have your house listed in the winter? How do you market it? Is it important? Is there something different you should do? The answer is absolutely yes. So what I do and market the property differently for winter showings is I want to make sure that buyers have as much information that is done correctly. So I want to use professional pictures that are absolutely edited to be the most bright possible. And it makes a big difference. I want to include floor plans. I want to include a video tour. I want to draw the buyers in. And then I want to place ads behind them. So marketing is a lot more than just placing it in the MLS. So if you want to experience, which is so important in today's market, you want an experienced agent that knows how to market a property. Because believe it or not, winter is an excellent time to have your house on the market. Why? Not a lot of competition. And the buyers that come out, look at it outside. People just don't want to kind of see what this house has to offer. They're out and they're determined. They are serious. So put your best foot forward. Have an excellent agent that knows how to market the property, such as myself. And that is how you win in the winter markets.